We're back in the Burgi Corporation test lab. We're testing another high-speed dynamometer. This system has a maximum speed of 20,000 RPM. This is an EV motor testing and development dyno. You can see here, looking at the motor nameplate, the base speed is 4,000 RPM. We'll create 325 kilowatts at that base speed. Maximum speed is 20,000 RPM. You can still create 130 kilowatt of power at that maximum speed. The heart of this system is an AC induction Burgi Corporation motor. It's a combination water and oil cooled, externally water cooled. There's numerous internal oil circuits on the interior of the motor, cooling and lubricating the motor. You can see there's one inlet to the oil and it's being diverted off to 3 separate fluid circuits. There's the oil recirculating system, cooling and filtering the oil. This motor comes out. Underneath that coupling guard is a high-speed flexible coupling and torque transducer. The other side of that coupling is connected to this high-speed load-bearing spindle. This is a water-cooled spindle, air oil lubricated bearings. You can see there are 4 different lubrication inlets on this. That air oil lubrication is being supplied by a Burgi air oil lubrication panel. That air oil is draining down. That's the waste collection bottle for the air oil. This whole spindle is attached to this very robust bracket. This is the customer's test article interface. Splined output, various mounting holes for attaching a whole catalog of different electric motors for testing. This whole drivetrain is mounted on a large cast base. This base has got some fluid passages underneath. It's hollow in places so that the motor oil that's draining out of the motor can run right down into that base and ultimately return back through those large hoses to the oil recirculating system. Another key feature of this system is that the whole base rides on these resilient mounts. And this can just be set in your test lab like this. You don't have to set it on a test bed. You don't have to excavate your shop floor and pour a thick concrete slab. So let's look at the monitoring software for this system. This is what we're watching and tracking all of the key metrics of the system on. In the upper left, there's speed. Then you've got numerous vibration. From the top down, you've got motor drive-in vibration, both max and RMS, and motor non-drive-in vibration, spindle drive-in, spindle non-drive-in. Beneath that, you've got motor stator temperatures, 3 of those. On the very bottom, you've got spindle bearing temperatures, drive-in to non-drive-in. And then on the right-hand side, you have oil temperature and then the 2 motor bearing temperatures, both drive-in and non-drive-in. Those are hovering right around 140 degrees Fahrenheit right now because we're pumping warm oil to this system to preheat those bearings prior to our run. So now we're going to ramp up to full speed, 20,000 RPM, and you can watch all these variables, how they track.